students, welcome to the new session. Today we are going to start our new chapter, addition. Let's start. In 4th standard you have studied addition. Let's revise what you have studied in the 4th standard. See, suppose I have 3 blue balls and also I have 2 red balls. Can you tell me how many total balls I have? I have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls I have total? 5 balls. Addition means putting things together. Find the things all. See, the blue balls, the number of blue balls is 3 and the number of red balls is 2. How many total balls I have here? 5 balls. Here, this plus symbol indicates or tells us we have to add the numbers. We have to add the number. This is the plus sign of addition, and the numbers which are adding here, they are called addends. Here 3 and 2 are going to add, so that 3 and 2 are known as addends. They are called addends. And after adding these two numbers, the answer we get, it is known as sum. It is known as sum. See some more examples. 7 plus 2. We have to add 7 plus 2. Which is the big number here? 7. So this 7 keep in mind, and the next number is 2. Draw 2 lines. Count after 7. 7, 8, 9. So when we add 2 in 7, we get answer 9. The sum of 7 plus 2 is 9. Also, you can count on fingers. What is the big number? 7. Keep in mind. And what is the next number? 2. Take 2 fingers. Count after 7. 7, 8, 9. See one more example. 6 plus 1. Which is the big number here? 6. Next number is 1. So draw 1 line. Count after 6. 6, 7. So 6 plus 7, answer is, 6 plus 1, answer is 7. We can add also vertically. 8 plus 2. See here, the big number is 8. Keep in mind, the next number is 2. Draw 2 lines. 1, 2. Count after 8. 9, 10. The sum of 8 plus 2 is 10. See one more example. 3 plus 4. Which is the big number here? 4. Keep in mind. Draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7. So, the sum of 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We can add horizontally as well as we can add vertically. See another example. 2 plus 0. Which is the big number here? 2. Next number is 0, as 0 is nothing. So we are not going to draw any line. So that when we add 0 in 2, we get answer 2 itself. See one more example. 0 plus 6. Which is the big number here? 6. Add 0 in 6. We will get answer 6 only. Can you see here? When we add 0 to any number, we get the answer, the number itself. Also, when we add any number to 0, the answer we get that the number itself. Now we will see how to add the numbers on number line. See the first question. What are the numbers? 6 plus 4. See on the number line, where is the 6? Here. And what is the next number? 4. So we will jump 4 numbers to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number here? 10. This is our answer. When we add 4 to 6, the answer is 10. The sum of 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. See one more example. What are the numbers? 8 plus 6. See on the number line, the 8 is here. What is the next number? 6. So jump 6 lines towards the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the number here? 14. Our answer is 14. The sum of 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Next, see commutative property of addition. What is meant by the commutative property of addition? The order in which 2 or more numbers are added does not change the final answer in an addition sum. We'll see an example. When I add 5 in 7, what is the answer of 5 plus 7? The answer is 12. And when I change the order of these numbers, 7 plus 5, then what will be the answer? 7 plus 5. The sum of 7 plus 5 is also 12. That means even if I am changing the order of the numbers, then also the answer is same. That means 5 plus 7, which is equal to 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12. See one more example. 3 plus 4. What is the sum of 3 plus 4? 7. And if I change the order of this number, 4 plus 3. The sum of 4 plus 3 is also 7. That means 3 plus 4, which is equal to 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. From this we can see even if we are changing the order of the numbers, then also we can get the same answer. See addition of 2-digit numbers. See the first one. What are the numbers given here? 40 and 37. When start from the ones place. Whenever we start addition, we start from the ones place. What are the numbers on the ones place? 0 and 7. Add 7 in 0. As we know, whenever we add any number to the 0, the answer will be the number itself. See, next add the numbers which are on the tens place. What are the numbers on the tens place? 4 and 3. Which is the big number here? 4. Keep in mind which is the next number? 3. So draw 3 lines. Count after 4, 5, 6, 7. So the sum of 40 plus 37 is 77. 7 is at tens place and this 7 is at ones place. See the second example. What are the numbers here? 28 plus 61. Start addition from the ones place. What are the numbers on ones place? 8 plus 1. Which is the big number? 8. Next number is 1. So draw 1 line. Count after 8. 9. So 8 plus 1. The answer is 9. Now add the numbers on tens place. What are the numbers? 2 and 6. Which is the big number? 6. Keep in mind. And the another number is 2. Draw 2 lines. Count after 6. 7, 8 is 89. 9 is at ones place and 8 is at tens place. See third one. What are the numbers here? 37 plus 26. Start addition from the ones place. What are the numbers? 7 and 6. Which is the big number here? 7. And the next number is 6. So draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum of 7 plus 6 is 13. But this 13 is 2-digit number. We cannot put 2 digits together on the ones place. This 13 we can write as a 13 ones or 1 tens and 3 ones. So these 3 ones we will write on the place of ones and this 1 tens will write over the tens place as a carry. Now count the number on the tens place. The numbers are 3 plus 2. 3 is the bigger number. Keep in mind. Draw 2 lines. Count after 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 carry 6. So the sum of 37 plus 26 is equal to 63. 6 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. See one more example with carry. See, start addition from the ones place. What are the number here? 4 and 9. 9 is the big number. Keep in mind. And the next number is 4. Draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Again we can see here the answer is of 2 digits. 3 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. Write 3 on the ones place and this 1 over the tens place as a carry. Now add the numbers on the tens place. The numbers are 5 and 1. The big number is 5 and the next number is 1. So draw one line. 5 plus 1. Count after 5. 5, 6. Plus 1 carry 7. So the sum of 54 plus 19 is equal to 73. 7 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. Understood how to add 2-digit numbers with carry. Now see the number stories or word problems on addition. See the first one. A fruit seller has 20 apples and 38 oranges with him. How many fruits are there with fruit seller all together? From this question, we get the information about the number of apples and the number of oranges. What we have to do here? All together. All together means total number of fruits. That is means addition. See, we'll write first information which is given in the question itself. The information is given about the number of apples. Number of apples. How many apples are there? 20. Next, what is given? Number of oranges. How many oranges are there? 38. What we have to count here? Total number of fruits. Total means addition. So what is the first number? 20. And number of oranges? 38. How many fruits are there all together? Start addition from the ones place. The number on the ones place are 0 and 8. We know that whenever we add any number to the 0, we get answer the number itself. Now add the numbers on tens place. What are the numbers? 2 and 3. As 3 is the bigger number, draw 2 lines for the number 2 and count after 3. 3, 4, 5. So the sum of 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. How many fruits are there all together? 58 fruits. Understood how to solve the word problems. The statements which I have written here that we get from the question itself. Second question. In a library, there are 46 English books and 28 Hindi books. How many total books are there in the library? Can you tell me what information is given in this question? The information is given about the books. Number of English books, and the number of Hindi books. What we have to do here? We have to count the total number of books. Total means addition. Total number of books. What are the total number of books of English? 46, and of Hindi books 28. Count the total number of books. Number of English books 46 and number of Hindi books 28. Start addition from the ones place. What are the numbers here? 6 and 8. 8 is the big number. So draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. As 14 is 2-digit number, 1 is at tens place and 4 is at ones place. This 4 we will write on the ones place, and this 1 which is on the tens place will write over the tens place as a carry. Now add the numbers on tens place. The number on tens place are 4 and 2. 4 is the big number. Draw 2 lines. Count after 4. 4, 5, 6 plus 1 carry 7. So the total number of books is equal to 74. 74 books. Understood how to solve this one?